from, I don't know what, Skyway Park. I think it's called Skyway Park in Hillsborough County, Tampa. And we're going all the way to my house in St. Pete. Let's go! We're gonna take the Skyway Park Trail and then hit the U Trail and then the good old Howard Frankland Trail. Gotta get back before the rain. Let's go! Cue the 80s music. That'd be dope, right? If I could, I would pay an editor to do these. One day, chat, one day we're gonna become big and famous. Forced to be reckoned with. Everybody's gonna know my name. Oh, cringe. But hope you guys are enjoying your summer so far. I have been doing a little bit of riding. I'm thinking about becoming a little, this is a blind corner, a little bit more sociable. Start meeting up with people, start doing group rides. We'll see, baby steps. I don't know what that clicking is. It sounds like it's rubbing from the front, but I looked, it's not. On the stand, it's not. Could be the cleats, could be my limits, I don't know. All I know, we threw the stem on here. Shout out to the stem. People couldn't believe I was rocking a 90. People are like, why are you rocking a 90? I'm like, I don't have anything else to put on there. Someone's like, here's an aluminum zip stem. You're welcome. I was like, all right, bet. So I threw it on. It was pretty nice. And now I'm gonna pay it forward and give that 90 to the person, well, to another person who needs a 90 because they're on, I don't know what they're on, but theirs way too long. But this is pretty much a Skyway Park Trail. Shout out to the Skyway Park Trail. If there's more to this trail system, let me know. All I know is when you go left up here, you got Courtney Cause to the right, or the U Trail to the left. And I'm going on the U Trail. I don't know where you're going, but that's where I'm going. Maybe we'll do a part 2. They say the Campbell, I call it the Causeway. I think other people call it the Cause too, but part 2. Whoa, don't kill me, bud. Holy cow, almost died on the vlog. Let's go. So this here is the U Trail in Tampa, Hillsborough County. I'm a Pinellas County resident, so Hillsborough County is a little bit different than the county I'm normally trotting through. Don't worry, I checked in. I was given the green light by the essays. They said you're cool, Holmes. That's gonna get me canceled. No disrespect, I'm just saying. So 8 month 3 people, what up? What up, A13? I know there's a few different people's hoods that I know. Pumping Pedals being one of them. I actually saw him on here once. It was pretty dope. Oh! Almost got took up in a tree. Tree branch. Taking it nice and easy. We are doing a speed run. We're not. I'm lying. Oh, these guys don't want to end up on the YouTube. Like POV blocking the trail. They're totally going on the YouTube. What is this nonsense? Keep your shit straight, I swear to God, we be throwing hands. That's why I don't like hitting the trails. Because I don't know how to act. I'll literally throw some hands. Win or lose, I don't really care. They ain't gonna be swerving into me. I don't play that. No sir. But coming up to the end of the U Trail, I think. I'm pretty sure this is called the U Trail. I'm not, don't quote me on that one, guys. I'm not the local person. that nose. Yeah, look at that highway system. GoPro's probably not capturing that. That's crazy. As most of you know, I hail from a small Midwestern town. Population 4,000. I really think that's the population for Sleepy Hollow. Somebody Google that. Can we get a Google? Almost out of here. If I wasn't so chunky and slow, would have been gone. But we're getting there. I've been doing a lot of riding. They're gonna clip that. No! Whoever edits this, please edit that little thing out. I don't want to get canceled again. Yep. Come on. Pick it up. Final sprint of the U Trail. A bumpy trail. That or that other stem, I never felt it as bad because I'm on a 110 now. I was on a 90 before. But nothing feels loose. I don't feel any play. So I'm thinking that other stem was just flexing on me. This one feels really stiff. But we're out of here on the U Trail. Probably pick this back up on the Howard Frankland Trail. I know half of you guys have already clicked off. I would too. But let's go. Well, I figure we'll just clip all this together and do one big long video to give everybody a picture. And I'll do like a classic YouTube title. I rode my bike all the way home from the U Trail to St. Peter's. Oh God. Oh. And it's funny because I'm probably gonna title it like that. I wish I could do like the voiceover for like the audio, like, you know, like the title. Like, I wish YouTube had that. I would totally do in that annoying voice that I'm known for. See if we go around this guy civilly. Everyone's like, why do you take the path? Why don't you get on the road? It's like, bro, I'm just chilling, man. Just chilling. I was hoping I see more people out here, but it's late. Ballsy to be. I like this little area. This little area is quiet. Every time I come out here, it's a little quiet. I like that. I like that about this area. Nice and quiet. No news is good news. But I would cut it off right here, but there's a little sand pit in front of us. Could be good for some cyclocross. I rode in a 23C tire in the front and a 25 in the back because that's where the weight is, you know what I mean? Got that dump truck. Legs are feeling good though. Get some water. Putting a little salt in the water. That way I'm not licking the salt off my arms when I start cramping up. Here's a little sand pit. I hit this coming in hot in the morning the other day, dude. I almost ate it. Almost ate it bad. It's about to be game over Florida bike vlogger. But let's everybody knows where we're at now. Let's get on the trail. Coming from the the Skyway Park Trail in Hillsborough County, Tampa. I just wanted to share something with you guys. So like, if you guys follow me on IG and all that other stuff, you already know I talked about this, but I was just saying how the stickers are like the greatest thing ever because it's like a good icebreaker for me, you know, on cold approaches and stuff. It's just cool to have a sticker. It kind of makes cycling more fun. Like even if you're not a cyclist, I recommend getting your own sticker for your username, your brand, or anything. It's just cool. So, get back to you guys on the first climb. Let's go! We are coming up to the first climb. We'll still piece it together. Trying to get a video for the gram. I love getting to Howard Frankland. Let them know where we at. That's something about me, man. I'll always rep what it is. Whew. Come on, fat boy. Come on. There you go. You're like cheating on yourself. Dig! There you go. Ah. Arguably the steeper, longer climb going to St. Pete. Whew. My legs are roached. We're gonna get up it though. Got no other choice. Never give up. Never surrender. Keep moving forward. Come on. There you go, DC. Never give up! Breakthrough! There you go. Woo! A little piece of me died back there. Woo! Cut the tape, cut the tape. Before the last climb, and then I'm going home. Her voice is doing that thing again. Hit a little early, but whatever. Just gotta increase that watch time. If you're watching the video, let me know where you're watching the video from. Always appreciative when I find out my videos going out to the masses. And if it isn't, whatever. I'm just out here chasing my dreams, you know, every single vlog. I'm out here chasing my fitness. And if you don't like that, I don't know what to tell you. Whatever. We're hitting the downhill though. Yeah, buddy. But let's go ahead and hit the last climb on the vids. See you in the last one. This is not gonna be pretty, but I refuse to give up on myself. I refuse to surrender. I refuse to quit. I refuse to accept defeat. We're getting up this hill. We're getting our life back. It's not just a hill. It's getting our life back. Come on, DC. Can do this. Breathe. nice and easy. There you go. Nice and easy up the big ring, come on. All the way. Come on, bud. He's getting out of the saddle. You can do it. Come on, buddy. There you go. Whew. Proud of you. You didn't give up. Proud of you. Compare themselves to other people, and you just simply can't do that. You're only ever doing it against yourself. And as long as you don't give up, that's all that matters. It might be the worst speech I've ever given on this channel, but it's what I'm sticking by. I don't know. Life's moving different, and I'm just going with it. It's not what you're riding, but where you're going. And it's not just a lane, it's a lifestyle. Oh man, that was good. Well guys, see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are everything to me. Peace out.